Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to get arch length. So you can create new design and I will create arch in it. The next you can draw line and after it use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to show for the arch length in this edge, you can go to details and then click dimension. Okay, we'll select at this face. You can select the arch and then you can press Ctrl button to show for the arch length. You can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to get arch length. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.